Hello, you beautiful person. Welcome to Draw Too Much. My name is Tim Lee. We're taking a little break from Caricatures to get through a few drawings that I've done for my other channel, Life of Thrive. And it was just a fun little gimmicky thing I did, drawing some cartoons while I was out there. But I really enjoyed myself, and I figured I'd keep it up. The story behind this one is we went to my parents' church for, I guess it was like New Year's Sunday, Christmas Sunday, something of that nature. And my hearing's weird, like really weird, to such an extent where I'm hard of hearing, but I hear high frequency tones like a hawk. I mean, it's bad. And so we were in church and, enjoying a sermon, and I'm sitting there with my iPad, and suddenly, all of a sudden, I'm hearing this high-pitched whine, this constant whine, and it didn't just whine, it went up, it went down, it went all over the place, and I realized that was some person's hearing aid going off like crazy. And so I remember, the constant statement from churches, you can't sing, well then make a joyful noise. And I was thinking, it would be kind of funny would be to draw someone behind us wearing a hearing aid that's just kind of making a joyful noise. So did my sketch and actually finished this piece, I believe, in the airport. And this is the first piece I finished for 2019. So we were leaving to go back to Montana, and I finished this waiting for our flight in the airport, which was kind of fun. So great way to kill time. If you want to kill time, get your iPad. If it's a new generation, you don't need an iPad Pro. But if you get an older generation, you got to have an iPad Pro to work with a pen. And draw your heart out. It's wonderful. And it was definitely fun for me to be able to do a couple of these pieces. Something I mentioned in I think it was my previous video, I've really learned that I like doing more tungsten tones and lighting for a lot of my pieces, and you can see here, this is much more tungsten. The skin tones are much deeper reddish tones, reddish brownish, instead of like trying to actually match bright daylight skin tones, and it just feels much better. It feels more lively to me. I do my usual techniques that I've done in the past couple pieces, but if you want to learn about some of this, hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment box below. But don't forget, we're also going to be continuing our drawing tutorials. We've been working on noses, and we're going to keep working on those as we continue on forward. But I'm just enjoying sharing some stuff that I did while I was on my trip, and I appreciate you putting up with me while I throw up some different stuff until we get back into the swing of drawing more caricature tutorials, which I'll be doing here very soon. Maybe even working on one today. Well, anyway, hope that you enjoyed this one. This is another Life of Thrive thing. And if you want to go see some of the videos on my Life of Thrive channel, just go look it up, Life of Thrive. I'll try to include a link if it'll let me to go and take a look at that channel. Subscribe to it if you like. And that's going to do it. Don't forget, you can check me out also on Facebook, Tim Lee Michael on Facebook, and my Instagram, which is really lively and awake right now. Would love it if you'd go and check that out. It's Tim_Lee_Michael, and that's over on Instagram. Would love for you to come check that out, because I do a lot of photography and even have those drawings up over there as well. That's going to do it. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you soon.